train. The orphans! Faster, Bullseye! We gotta save the train and those orphans!
Since you bested me the last time we met... Alright. Enough chat. Time for some flash.
Give it up, pork chop! Look out! Whoa!
Special delivery. Dr. Flashjack.
Whoa!
I can see your future. And it's a train wreck.
There's the train! Wah! Ha ha!
I'll create a diversion while you save the orphans.
Good work, boss!
Job well done. That was unfortunate.
Good work, boss!
Roger that.
Huh? Oh! Huh?
Thanks, boss!
Job well done.
Good work, boss!
Job well done.
Join the battle! Whoa! 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 forget.
Not this time and not ever!
Whoa! All must kneel before Dr.
Thanks, bud!
Job well done.
Thanks, bud!
Job well done.
There's nothing I dislike more than persistent do-gooders. Good luck getting out of this one, hero.
This town ain't big enough for the two of us, pork chop!
Good luck getting out of this one, hero. Who haven't seen the last of the evil Dr. Porkchop?
And so the evil Dr. Porkchop was defeated, and the orphan train made it safely to its destination.
Wait a sec. You had a giant pig ship and a fleet of attack drones, and you lost to a cowboy on a
And
horse?
the eye patch severely hampered my depth perception.
Oh, right. Blame the eye patch.
Anyway, back to the game board.
Which, if I can say, is seriously impressive. I cannot believe you built this.
Yeah, well, I wanted to create a map that featured all of the significant landmarks we encountered on our exciting journey here.
Hey, what's next? Should we go to Andy's
Oh,
house?
watch it, Rex. You just knocked Al's toy barn into the pond.
Oh, sorry.
Ah,
I'm
you
sorry.
hollowhead. Oh, I'm gonna have to reset the whole town.
Pardon me? What's this area again?
Hey, good eye, my prickly friend. That is a special part of the game called Woody's Roundup, where you can roam free, upholding justice as a sheriff in the Old West.
Cool. We can go there? Really? Let's go.
Only if a certain lizard brain promises not to stomp it to smithereens.
I probably won't. I promise.